Okay, so yesterday we gave away on average £1,500 on the pay run for the first referrals that came from the trade referral group. So guys, for those of you in this community, if you want to send through any trades that you know that want to grow their business, level up their sales and have all of the great training that you have received, then send them through to us today. You will get, okay, £100 if they attend a discovery day, whether they buy or not. You will also then get, okay, up to £2,500 when they purchase one of the academies. The 10% is based on the amount of money they pay up front for the course. If they buy it on finance, you'll get paid in full. If they pay monthly, you'll get 10% of the monthly amount, or you'll get 10% of the full amount. This could earn you £5,000 to £10,000 a month in pure profit just by referring trades businesses. So it's an absolute no-brainer. I've got this cash sat here waiting for you, so send those your referrals through and let's blow up this referral program.